Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking, and today we're going to show you how to make your Thanksgiving just a bit better by making it Italian. This is Italian stuffing. Okay, first things first, you're going to get a couple of loaves of bread. I don't care if you get Italian bread. I like to use Italian bread or a French baguette. Sesame seeded, if you'd like, that's what I like, gives it a nice little texture. You're gonna leave that out for about 2 days. So buy it ahead of time, let it get nice and stale. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut it up into about 1/4-inch cubes, and you're going to put it in a bowl, toss it with some olive oil, a little garlic, because what would we do without garlic? Absolutely nothing. Spread it out on a nice baking sheet, and you're gonna put it in your oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes and get all that moisture out, get it nice and toasted, and then you're ready to make your stuffing. Let's start putting it all together, baby. What do you say? Are you excited about Thanksgiving?
Yeah.
I think it's terrible.
I know you do.
I hate the Pilgrims. They had absolutely no seasoning in their food. And if it wasn't for the Italians coming through and going, let me tell you something, I think you should make a ziti or add some sausage to something like this, it'd still be crap today. Anyway, here we go. Let's put a little olive oil in our pan. So we're just gonna get that heated up here a little bit. Then we're gonna throw in our onion. Let it cook up for about 5-6 minutes. Just want to cook it down a little bit here. And we got our salami here. We got our soppressata here. Ben, do you see how nice this size is? It's like almost like little chiclets. Now, you want to cut your soppressata and your salami like that as well as your cheese because you don't want big chunks in it. It can get a little tough if you got these big cubes in it, so you don't want to do it. You want to make sure that you cut it fairly, thin and cubed up nicely. By the way, I had a conversation with my brother the other day.
Oh yeah?
We were debating if whether or not Michael Jordan has ever been in a Trader Joe's.
That's such a good question. There's no way.
Ever?
Never.
Not even for a little licorice or something?
A little licorice?
Yeah, you don't think Michael Jordan's just been driving in the Ferrari one day and he's like, I want a little, Swedish fish.
I would argue he doesn't know what a Trader Joe's is.
Yeah.
Even if there was a situation where he had to go into a Trader Joe's, he has sent someone in for him.
Yeah.
There's no chance.
Like Scottie Pippen?
Yeah.
All right, Ben, ready for one of my favorite ingredients here. A little garlic. That's what I'm talking about. Got a little oregano. Should we put this in? Why not? Now, you don't need to add salt and pepper. All your meat there is going to give you a lot of salt. You got salt in your chicken broth. Don't worry about seasoning this up. You're getting it from your salami and your soppressata in there. Chicken broth time, Ben. We're just going to bring this to a simmer, and then we're going to, you know what I'm saying, Ben?
I don't know what you're saying. What are you gonna do? I have never made this before. I have no idea what you're gonna do next.
We're gonna let that simmer for a little while, and then we're gonna start making the stuffing. We got the bread, we're gonna put it in our baking dish, and in the oven it's gonna go. I mean, tell me this is not gonna be a fantastic meal.
What are your plans for Thanksgiving?
I'm spending it with you.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, I am. I can't wait to come down. For those of you that don't know, Ben has a wonderful family, so I'm going to be hanging with them a portion of Thanksgiving week, and then we will be going with Lindsay's family for some more rich activities. And so it's, we're hanging out, it's electric boat yachting, then we're going country club living. It's gonna be a hell of a week.
Yeah, how could you hate Thanksgiving with a week like that?
Because I don't like Thanksgiving.
But you love what you're about to do.
I like the richness of, I like people with scratch in their pocket. Okay, so when your parents come down and they got the nice bottles of wine lined up, and then they go, you want to go walk around the neighborhood with a little Sazerac in the hand, I get excited. This is what I like. All right, so Ben, we got our bread all set, ready to go. Once you bring it to a simmer, you're gonna pour that right over your bread. I got to tell you, you want to fold this in nice and gently. You don't want to wreck and make your bread mush. And we got that bread nice and toasted, and it was the right amount of staleness. So all that bread is just going to slowly absorb all of that broth, all of that mixture, all of that seasoning. We are talking about total enjoyment. You're going to be able to watch whoever's playing football that day lose like the Dallas Cowboys.
Well, the Cowboys will be playing.
They're playing? Who are they playing?
Every Thanksgiving they play.
They're going to lose.
I think they're playing the Eagles.
Oh, they're going to lose. This is nice. This is the consistency I was looking for. But you see, what I really love here is we got all that sesame seed on the bread, and then we got, oh my God, the pepper and the salami. Oh my God, Ben. Now I got 2 whisked eggs. Let this cool a little bit. You don't want to add it right away because you don't want to cook those eggs. You just want to have the eggs be a binder green apple, little celery, gives a little moisture, nice texture. Then we got, feed the crew. I gotta give you one more before it goes in. Trick or treat, Halloween, provolone is going in. And then we got a little fresh parsley that I've chopped up very nicely. Let's give it a nice, thorough mix.
If you had to choose a favorite Thanksgiving dish, what would it be?
I like stuffed mushrooms. Serious, but my way.
Well, I know you're serious,
You know
but
what
that's
I'm
not a
talking about.
traditional Thanksgiving
That's
dish.
what I like. I have 2 mushrooms, I have a couple of cocktails, I say I'm going home. See you later.
Okay,
Peace.
what's your least favorite Thanksgiving dish?
I just don't love turkey. I know that's crazy. I know that's
It's not crazy.
You know, people get all hopped up. I think that, listen, all I know is that if I went to Thanksgiving at someone's house and they were like, we made all of this other stuff, we didn't make a turkey, I'm not gonna complain.
Yeah.
And as long as you got liquor, we're good. All right, so we're using a little bit of Graza. They got a little spray oil. I also use this in my hair in the morning, Ben. If you want this, you get 10% off. It's in the link in our YouTube bio.
Leave a comment and we'll get it to you.
And we're spraying. Whoa! Sounds like a jet engine.
Yeah, what is that noise?
So now once you got your baking dish greased up, we're just gonna simply pour our stuffing into it. Do it nice and gentle, spread it out nice and even. Like I said, don't pat it down or anything. Let it get a little air in there because it's gonna get that nice fluffy once it bakes all together. Before you put it in the oven, Ben, what would Thanksgiving be without a little jingle?
Butter.
Really nice, really nice. 4 packs we got, like a hockey rink. Then you're gonna wrap it in foil. You're gonna stick it in the oven at 350 for about 25 minutes. And then you're gonna take it out, take the foil out, put it back in for 25 more minutes. So here we go. You ready, Ben? We're going. You want to know why this dish is so great? Because it's the exact opposite of what the Pilgrims would have made. It has flavor. That's right, they came with their silly little outfits and their boring little turkey. God forbid in their travels on the Mayflower, they would have picked up an Italian or two. They would have landed on the shores with a custom suit, a little provolone, a little soppressata, and some garlic. And they would have made a beautiful dish like this. If you want the recipe, as always, it's in the description below. And from our house to yours, bon appetit and happy Thanksgiving. A lot of steam coming up here. Need a facial? Join me for a facial, Ben. Come on.
Never asked me to join you
up
for a
that
facial
skin.
again.